Sorry, Pepsi, guys. It's Hawkman 201. Today, I just thought I'd give you a video about this hat in this mobile bubble gate.
We're all here. They can go back in the back. Alright. Yeah. You can. I never use these.
Hello, Pepsi, my old friend. Crazy Clay. Hello, Pepsi, my old friend. We get to meet again someday.
Never
in the sound of silence.
I sing happy birthday in Spanish, Chris.
Feliz cumpleaños to you. Feliz cumpleaños to you. Feliz cumpleaños to you, babe. Feliz cumpleaños to you.
Yeah, for Yessie.
Yes.
The sound of Pepsi silence. Hello, Pepsi, my old friend.
What? Say what for later.
Right.
Hello, Hawk.
Hey, Butch.
I finally finished it.
Cool.
Oh, what is it though?
Groot's hand.
It's a Groot's hand, like,
Cool.
Which one is broken
yeah,
again?
like
This
that.
one? I didn't. You said Groot.
Yes.
Oh,
You said animated.
I mean,
Because I'm trying to figure it out so I can get rid of it.
That are all.
yeah, that's she can draw it.
Hello, Bubba, my old friend.
So
Until we freaking meet again. In the sound of Pepsi silence.
Yeah.
Okay. What are they though? They're hard candy with fizzy powder on the inside. Fizzy powder?
I'm good.
I'm saving it for later.
Hello, Cherry Pepsi, my old friend.
Okay.
Hey, Clay, what's up?
Going out of the ground.
Yep.
Where I'm hanging out with the crazies today.
One.
Yeah.
Just one.
There's Crazy Clay of the Silence.
Don't forget
let's get another.
Crazy James.
Really, Brenda. We can really go and miss.
one.
Well, heck, that might give me a Pepsi song.
Why are we gonna
So, peace.
Oh, we
Third style.